people, and welcome back to Football Mede Podcast by the Republicans. My name is Jovita, AK, and of course, I dare here with the guys themselves talking about Emmanuel Attah and of course, Onokala Onyebuchi, the U.S.A licensed coach, and of course, the most expensive. Yes, so my people, no be small something, and welcome back. And as soon as I know, the last time we would talk, now all about the big reason between Libya and Nigeria, and of course, we can't even reason and say waiting CAF, where CAF could stand in between this kasala wey happen between these two sides. Anyway, the verdict don't come out, and of course, CAF don't find Libya $50,000, and apart from that one, they don't carry three kondo akpako nakamura them. So Nigeria don't get 3 points, and of course, we just get like a win or a draw to take qualify. Just a point now we need to take qualify for 2025 AFCON, and that's one tutorials where. But then I go like, are they happy with the verdict where we say CAF be talk on? I feel say CAF suppose Nakamura Libya more akpako as we go to take all and sanctions.
Well, I feel say CAF do what they need to do because everybody see what happen. No be the right call at all. Libyan football do against Nigeria football, but again, you expect CAF to do more than what they don't do so. So I feel say for me, I say that this football person, what CAF do, they okay.
All right, make I come to the U.S.A licensed coach Onokala Onyebuchi. For Nigerian club sides or maybe other African club side where they go Libya, with this verdict, you feel say these North Africans go don't learn one or two things so that they're not going to mistreat their visitors when they come.
Sexy, they don't go learn. They go update, they go upgrade. When they go to that, they go know say if they want to do this kind of thing, evidence don't go there against them. To do bad, they very, very easy because the devil works in miraculous ways. Devil they put in bad ideas more than good ideas. So they go do them again. They vex like this. They para like this. We don't understand what Nigeria do. Is standing the ground. I'm telling you, most African countries for play that match, and they tell you. Now because Nigeria use the giant of Africa, we use our big for once in a lifetime. They'll say, okay, we're big and we are not playing and we stand our ground. We don't use that. Like, this could be the change. Not just but also for club sides. Because, sorry, these North Africans, they do it a lot. Not just them. Other Africans, they do them too. Even they do it, we don't like ourselves. Not be insult. The problem to an African man is an African man. A good example, check him. To travel to London, I check one time, I fly Nigeria 1.2 M. So 1.2 M. To travel from here, go check. Go Ethiopia. Travel, go Tanzania, go check how much. Why is it so expensive to travel in Africa? Go be our brothers.
You never talk of that one.
Cheaper. We don't like ourselves. That is simple truth. We don't want to come. And to make it worse, sorry. Africans don't like Nigerians. I keep on this. You put it complaining. When it's a Nigerian man in the midst of African man, they feel inferior. Sorry, we're using the English. They don't like us Nigerians because we get this flair, we get this confidence. The only man what they like, I mean, like, this guy probably look like Kenyan because there's nothing flair about him. But apart from the rest, they're beautiful.
But then we still dey look at Libya. But then which kind lesson you feel say Nigeria fit take from wetin happen?
Well,
They look so gentle.
the kind lesson where we fit take from wetin happen be say maybe aside the national team, other club side, if we play every other northern African side, maybe in terms of preparatory, we would need to make sure say everything they open, the visitors, the hosts, and even the visitors, make everybody they are aware of the venue of the game, what thing go happen, what the game they all about, and it go be open. It not go be secret affair. You understand? And because of just like Laba they talk earlier on, now because of say person make statement said we no go do this game, we no go play this game. At the person where he started, at the captain of the team, most people no go get that confident to voice out. You understand? So I feel say now lessons to other, not just the national team of Nigeria, but club side where they engage in continental competitions to other African countries. If you see waiting, they share the way you like for, just speak out, speak to your federation, speak to the organizers of the competition first. Make sure the social media they talk them out, speak out. I feel saying that the lessons be that.
And of course, for the African teams, we hope say everybody go treat each other good. If then they come your house, treat them good. Then they go your house, treat them good.
Be your
We hope
brother's
say,
keeper.
exactly. We hope say wetin happen in 1900 no go happen
Ghana,
again.
treat us Ghana. Ghana.
And from that one, make we enter inside the EPL. Every time things they change, and now Man City they lead the table currently. They lead 1 point. From the one we say they played last time. I think they are leading Liverpool by 1 point, and they lead Arsenal by 5 points. And of course, we don't see Man City, Liverpool, Arsenal, Aston Villa, Chelsea, Brighton. I mean, now where Man City don't take the lead, and I feel say Man City go feel retain this one.
Sexy. Like I tell you since last 2 weeks. My eye know the table. Only Elena go look table now. Only Chelsea man go look table now because they don't get ambition. My eyes know the table. But my table they already set from December. We don't play only 9 games, so 29 games remain. No, anything if it happen. Yes, na City. Yes, they get enough experience. Yes, they don't win them for, but anything fit to happen. I mean, they wouldn't like them. Some managers don't like to table this kind of time. They like to stay towards the end. Because things can change. So when they mention all these table questions, they ask this guy, no, they ask me, I'm too smart for it.
Okay.
Please.
On top of that table question, make I come to the national teams. Just recently, the under-17 women national team with the Flamingos. The Flamingos, U.S.A. knocked them out for the round of 16. And we don't did there from the onset, from the first time when they started to play the FIFA under-17 Women's World Cup. And of course, we never win them all, but then we always did there constantly. But then, anytime we reach certain stages, now European or American opposition, they come out us for certain. I mean, how we fit take bounce back from all this? Because don't say, not be today it starts.
Simple. They say charity begins at home. Charity na picking where they see no be magic. In Nigeria they play global tournament with all these countries, Spain, America, under 17. They come they pray. You understand? Our problem now, local, grassroots, start school sport, develop school sport. What will be the impact of female football?
But majority of the girls that carry go no be home base.
What will be the impact of school sports? What will be the impact of school sport to the girls where they carry go tournament? How many schools for Nigeria, secondary school and tertiary institution, they organize female league for that level before they go to tournament? You understand?
Now from league, then go.
How you won't compare that league and the school sports with America? Now, you know, say America, whether you like it or not, they be global power. They get their own sport where they focus on. And they don't say football not be one of them. So they put all their energy into football right now. And we decide the thing they play out for them. From the age grade to the national level. Whether you like it or not, their senior team for the female side, now one of the best in the land. And they start from this under 17. Now they come out our Flamingos for knockout stage for this World Cup. They go beyond the future. Our girls, they play football. Most of our girls now, they play football because of they want to survive. Not because they get the passion.
No.
They see them as a means to put food.
They're very stupid.
Come out their family for poverty.
That's one of the.
Listen,
one
American girls, they get time for body, say na passion. They won't dedicate time. Now project be for them. Go find out. You know the person where they travel out. You know the person where they.
You want make people don't say about travel.
You understand? No, ask questions because travel is a part of education.
All right.
So this thing they panzer for competition. You get to a stage. You understand where that exposure, where that experience will stop you. Now they go fit stop. Not because our girls do badly, but now because of the quality of the league where they here. the quality affect the main competition.
But when would they beat everybody from the group stage? Nobody they talk about the quality of the league.
Now because we relax, because we relax, we not agree improve. We feel say we don't arrive.
No.
Buchi, make we hear you.
This man don't talk about that because I waste of my saliva. The problem with Africans and other countries, they say we only think about the now. Youth competition, yes, winning trophy is very important too. But the most important thing, now say, okay, what is going to happen in the future? These young girls, they play from under 17, the plan under 17, under 19, under 21, under 23. The only time we say with one, we say, wait, what corner? The only time we say with one, now when this Victor Osimhen sets, you will see Samuel Chukwueze, Osimhen, and some other players, we won't carry them, play for the national team. Those boys no win. Where are the other players? We are so obsessed with winning for the now. Win trophy now, more black. Where is the growth? That's the difference between us and them. And no insult to
the difference between us and them and development.
You can't compare.
In as much as they win, they develop those players. They develop them mentally.
You can't
compare. They put mentality of winning into them.
Let me land. You can't compare in Nigeria to the U.S.A. You have to be very stupid to do that. Whether infrastructurally, developmentally, on everything, you can't compare. It's very easy for those scouts to see talents in the U.S. than we see talent right here in Nigeria. It's very easy. And then when they play the politics with the talent. Do you remember politics you play to get talent in? If you ask an average footballer how they come through, there's nobody going to tell you go run. But who ask them yesterday, they connect, they say, then get policy in ground. They get process in ground.
Have to see players.
They get everything in ground.
Yeah.
You can't compare. It's very stupid to compare. And let's be honest. These girls do so on the group stage. They exceed my expectation. Because if they lose one, means they don't do well. What kind of people do we have? This guy should be a conductor. What kind of people do we have? Criticize them, yes. But if so, we'll get sense or we'll get sports developers. These babes should be the next future. Move them to the next level. Winning is not important. How many times we don't win that? We'll take World Cup now. What they count from the men? What the players? How many of them play national team?
And
let's be honest.
And
I
tell you, the reason why they cannot keep them is because some of these girls where they gather now as under 17,
this growth.
They are there strictly for business.
Talking about hustling, my brother.
You understand?
Now,
waiting be the plans where NFF get for them.
Because they do it in
you understand?
19 years.
What will be the plans where NFF get for them?
See.
What will be the plan? What will be the motivational factor towards these girls?
How
are they putting them in school? Are they sending them to schools? Are they what is the plan for them?
Let me give you an example of education.
It's not just packing them and winning
Let's
trophies
use NBA to show you how they left behind it. Let's use NBA as a good example. For you to qualify for the call out, whatever they call out for draft. The NBA, for the draft, you have to get a particular result. When you do for college, it's very, very. If you don't reach that mark, you will never go to a draft. That's what they tell you. So you cannot compare them to us because they get level, they get policy already. Are you kidding me? And most of these girls, they came from nothing. How you want to see them, Baba? No matter whether that football they play, whether that basketball they play, whether that tomato they play, but when I hustle for them, now they put in their life. You can see to be a footballer. They put in their life. I don't know. Hustle. See,
why Laba they make and feel say this structure say na man I be. Now you being they put out for places. We have the. You can actually start putting it in right places.
At the age of 45, go put them now.
We don't have the structure, but when you bring in the right people.
Go and do it.
For how long?
Not people that talk anyhow. Not people
that do it.
Not people that here opening
go and do it.
Anyhow.
Go and do it.
People that do
it. Are you not old enough? You have to go.
Don't be smarty. I don't hear them before it comes to
you have to go to your mates.
Every time when we say Nigeria, we reach certain stages, meet European opposition or South American opposition, we dey always for yakata. How we fit to move forward? You know what you got to do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and of course drop your own message or your own comments there as far as they're concerned. Okay, moving on from that one, we concern Nigeria and of course
When they put their spirit and their soul to hustle.
Make we go the
You
one
don't see the
wey
means to get the
concern.
level of when the green white on Nigeria.
So if they also can't.
This guy dey fall.
Nigeria no fit develop them.
One of them. You put them on national team, not developmental enough. To take them for putting. That is the last stage of a footballer to wear the green white of your country.
Under 17.
And you are telling
You know the
them.
meaning of under
you are telling
17?
them-
When they say under 17, meaning they get
In your family, nobody
never
under 17. Your family, nobody stress me.
Alright, so people, make we waka comot for that one before we come to World
They
War
hustle.
7, and of course enter the one wey concern
When they-
the
when
Ballon
they do
d'Or.
framework
Yes, so
now.
just a couple of days ago,
Your left nyash.
then do the Ballon d'Or right there
So
for
they are
inside
products.
France, and of course one particular bros emerge winner. And we talk about Rodri of Manchester City. But ever since they carry that award, give the bros. Now so quarrel, fight, snubbing up and down, and of course, so even Real Madrid boycott that award. Their players no come, their coach no come, even though say na him we talking about Carlo Ancelotti and all that one. But then,
start with me, thank you.
Rodri deserve the Ballon d'Or.
100%. For the 4 finalists, if Rodri win, as he win, I no complain. If Vinicius win, me too, I no complain. If Kava win, I no go complain. If Jovita win, I no go complain. 4 of them in different level deserve to win the Ballon d'Or. Rodri, now this check all games we see last season. He no play. That's why they lose. And Rodri was so important in Spain, winning the Euros. And he has been consistent for the last 5-6 years. Same with Vinicius. Was injured, came back, helped Madrid win the Champions League. But for Brazil, was nowhere to be seen. Carvajal too. Helped Spain, Champions League, helped Spain win the Euros. Bellingham too. For me, that Bellingham will win the player of Real Madrid. And helped England win the Euros finals. So if anybody win me, I don't get complaints. My only issue with this problem is say, Real Madrid football no dey evolve around that club. Real Madrid did something very disgraceful, so irritating. This is the first time in the history of the Ballon d'Or where club they snub the full award. Why? See your player no win. Where is the sportsmanship? We have seen players don't go and boycott, but those players they boycott when they're loyal to their own players. Or they didn't bring out to their colleague. We've seen it. But club for the first time, and Real Madrid they give UEFA. Say, this is what we want. This, if Vinicius don't win, make cover una papa. Like, who do you think you are in the first place? It's an insult to other players. It makes no sense. Say Real Madrid boycott the award. If UEFA are serious, if they are serious enough, not to sanction them, keep them out. Let them go to the Super League. For the Super League. And everybody they talk about politics. Real Madrid is the when it comes to politics, they are the king of politics football club. For the Lopez, they grounded politician. And everybody, good example. Look how much go win. Ballon d'Or. Look how much recently. What did I not win? Nobody biggest flop in football. Who complain? See, anything we voting day, anything we Wahala must day. Now voting, Wahala must day. So BS accept your L and move on. And see the future show. They're gonna tell me say, I'm going to be black man.
What are you talking?
For Brazilian, they be black man.
Somebody that is reasonable talk.
I'm angry because it makes no sense.
All right. You feel say Real Madrid with what they do, then they feel like say then they entitled to their award.
They don't feel entitled.
Oh,
Football. Let me educate this one where they shout.
educate your father.
Football. Na money making ventures.
Now, how this?
You understand? Whether you like it or not, when it comes to European football, European club football, Real Madrid has contributed to the growth and development of
So like
club
that
football. You understand?
That's
Their impact.
Where you go put us in Wenger?
Wait now. Their impact in terms of commercializing the league
So that's them
and sales, and of course, Florentino personal contribution to some of the biggest football events. So if
You're fired.
from a reliable source, Florentino Perez had an issue with the organizers of the award. He is the chairman, the president of the club. And he said, okay.
Do you know why he had the issues with the organizers? He asked them who is going to win the Ballon d'Or. And they told him, we can't tell you.
This time. First time ever.
We can't tell you.
Come on, what
See,
says?
everybody, all the 4 nominees deserve to win the award.
Okay.
All the 4, I'm not saying anybody.
You go back yourself, Ogram, now.
All the 4 nominees, they deserve to win the award. But my question and my problem is, giving the award to Rodri, you know, pay me. But if you use the same criteria where you give Rodri the award, then Daniel Carvajal still deserve him because he played for the past 5-6 years, both in Spain national team
Why
and Real
you feel
Madrid.
say Vinicius no winner?
Now voting. The thing that is voting, a voting power. Anybody can win it.
But according to Vinicius, he said that because of saying he lead the advocate for racism.
That one na your own personal, na your personal query. Maybe not talk for another
But
day.
you know if you say that in follow come out and for setting.
You know say they go set up investigation. They go investigate.
Wetin they want? Wetin they
They go
want?
investigate now. See,
See,
UEFA no be CAF. UEFA no be CAF. UEFA no be Nigerian politics.
So you feel say na
You understand?
injustice to deny Vinicius?
100% injustice. 100% injustice. Well, see, now that was a night of robbery, a night football lost, not Vini.
Wow.
They disrespected themselves. You brought out a criteria everybody know. The entire global world knows that this guy. Dying minute, you say because he get issue with the club presidency, he did try to be big influence. How does that affect
Go
the person supposed to
Go Ballon to your website. You go see how every journalist vote. Evidence day.
And they complain, didn't they complain?
Every
Journalists complain, national team captains complain, national team players complain. They complain about they fought their award. Go to the website and read.
The Ballon d'Or has only been voting criteria from day one. Nobody wants to complain. From day one, they've only been voting.
Emmanuel does.
So nobody come out now for them vote.
That award.
Everybody deserve am.
You know
Everybody that
Now
category.
Rodri they talk. I know say everybody deserve him. They don't give him. He deserve him.
You know deserve am.
Your power will collect am.
You know why you don't deserve am?
Why no deserve?
I've seen City play 12 games without and they win. Now they create the goals.
That's a lie.
In recent times, when you no get jury, City they win match.
We're talking about
How
like,
influencer is he with City side?
We're talking about last season.
Okay, you are saying that last season.
Every
Is he more
game-
influential?
No, no,
Is
no.
he wait?
No, no,
Jovita, is he more influential than Daniel Carvajal for Real Madrid?
No. Let's clear
Are you
this.
serious?
Yes.
Let's
Is
clear
it
this.
because he's a defender?
Let me.
I don't understand.
Let me educate
How many
this.
goals you scored? No, educate. No.
Let me educate
Wait.
this.
Don't ever.
Let me educate
Don't
this.
ever. See.
Let me educate
See.
you.
Don't ever use that word
Let me
education because
educate
you
you.
don't know internet education. I will educate
Let me
you.
educate these don'ts. This guy
Don't
is
ever use that word. You educate
He's a
me.
bunch.
This guy, they beef
he's a-
that Madrid is feeling entitled. What kind of talk is that?
He's a Nick. This guy is a Nick.
Don't
Do you
ever.
think Madrid?
He's a Nick Compu. Backup in progress.
Do you think Madrid is feeling like entitled?
They are
that
far
he lost?
for a club to boycott an award. It's entitlement.
Barcelona did it in 2018.
That
No
is not a
problem.
lie. That's a lie.
Baka,
I'm
wait.
not education. Go and Google. Barca players boycott the award because no win. Barca
So what's the
players-
meaning? So what's the meaning?
Calm down
What's the
now.
difference between Barca players?
Calm down. Relax.
Yes, Madrid did
We have
it. They took it to
We
the
have
extreme.
had somebody even for CAF awards where players don't come. Not be new team. If you blow, not say Messi is not
2018 award, no single Barcelona
When
player
Messi
was in attendance.
But some players no come, but their president was there. Their executive was there. There was no rule.
My president
They have
choose.
there was
My
no boycott.
president choose not to
This
come.
one is a nobody for
My
Real Madrid.
the president of Real Madrid choose not to come.
You don't go to Brazil, you let you die. You don't go meet him. We don't know you. My
Now
president.
Brazilians they vex, and we know that at
You
least
fucking
we
idiot.
know like 4 Brazilians who don't win the Ballon d'Or in the past. We have Ronaldo, we get Ronaldinho,
Who
we
black
get Rivaldo,
Rivaldo.
we get Ricardo Kaká.
Kaka.
You
Who
feel
black
say na
pass?
because the name no starts with
No. It's been a long time. Do you know why Brazil are based? You check the last Brazil away winner. You don't tell where Brazil are winner. So they just
So
feel this
Brazil
time
must
around.
win am.
No, now they've contributed to global football. No, see them was the talent. Wait, okay, what was the Vini no be
Are you
talent now?
saying every other team or every other country no
No. The
contribute?
problem is
Can
you
you
see,
pause-
I just found out the problem when I get now because say Vini they play for Real Madrid. Now the problem be that too.
Can you pause this guy? Let me talk, please.
I cannot wait. When they feel say because Vini they play for Real Madrid.
I don't interject.
If Vini was in other clubs or they play for other club, problem for them because now Vini and Real Madrid that be this problem. This beef is just this war. Hey, so this war is against Real Madrid right now.
Can I talk?
The war is against Real Madrid.
Can I talk
Oh
now?
yeah, wait.
So because Vini, you're not saying anything reasonable.
Emmanuel, wait.
Talk
What
now.
was the last Brazilian that won
Emmanuel,
it?
wait.
Who was the last Brazilian that won it?
Ricardo Kaká.
So doesn't he deserve it?
I think that was 2007.
Doesn't he deserve it when he won it?
Can I come here? Can I come here?
Even with the current criteria
Can I
wey dem
come
dey
here?
use,
Well-
if they use the normal criteria wey dem dey use,
That's
check
still voting. When was the last time? Let's be honest. Like Ronaldinho complained for this recent Copa America wey happen. Ronaldinho complained. Some of them said the players home.
True.
Say what did they do? You don't say Brazil produce.
Even their president,
players.
as of 2 weeks ago, still talk and say local players should be invited
There
more.
was a time.
And leave the likes of these foreign-based players.
There was a time where Brazil they produced the best of the best of the best of.
True.
There was a time because football was made in Brazil. But let's be honest, from the Ronaldinho's days, the CR7 days, the Rivaldo days, Kaka was the last Brazilian that we saw was a superstar. Let's be honest, it's not an insult to them. You don't say no, they're not a good player. Oh. That's why you see normally when you see boy they play boy, you go say he plays like a Brazilian. He plays because you know say he get Brazil today. That's how when they complain about Vinicius, they was telling he was playing like a Congolese. Remember years ago, he was playing like a full-blown Cameroonian. Because he improved his game a lot. A respect and appreciation to him. But you can't go see Brazilian. That boy, you don't say this boy is a Brazilian. But they have not created that talent for like some time. And other countries too have improving talent too. So it is turn by turn. What do you expect Brazil to do? They support their own. It's common sense. If Nigerian player they know win, I go complain too. Because I have to support my own internationally. It's common sense. Like this Libya issue, I support my country. What support again? The other country they know me. So the Brazil are expected to support their own. So the Spanish are supporting their own too.
All right, but we talk
football.
about the only African we make, I think, the top 20, talking about Ademola Lookman. What do you feel, say, in Waka for inside that Ballon d'Or to finish 14th ahead of some great players where they below them? What in this one show as far as African representation there for all these kind of awards?
Well, first of all, talent, in passion, and of course, in sense of commitment to national team, and even in club side last season for the whole season. So you do say yes, in hard work they well appreciated. And if you see the guy on that night, if you see the way he take himself, you understand. I too like him. Come with him, Papa. Come with him, youth coach, and all that. So. Me, I feel say one of the biggest decisions when he take now to decide say he won't play for Nigeria. Remember say before now, even reasons in Nigeria matter on that 20, on that 21 and English side. But right now, he don't say yes on Nigeria hey day. So and I feel say this one say we don't open more ways for African talent.
I think it was the only African in that top 20.
That top 20
now, we be saying don't read that top. In there for CAF awards when they go do this December. You feel say Ademola Lookman stand better chance with the performance for the Ballon d'Or to win the CAF award.
Of course, the Ballon performance already open way for him already. Number 14 best player in the world. May not be number 1 for Africa. The CAF go explain now how they take down. It's simple because he played every game. The biggest competition where CAF organized this year, now the Nations Cup, and he played every game to the final day. The only thing he say you don't win, but he even make the CAF team of the tournament. So that one say don't give an edge.
All right, Buchi, make we hear from you.
See,
Ademola Lookman.
100%. Lookman, now you know what? I love Lookman because he ain't be the late bloomer. Like the rest of the kid when they blow late. Lookman was struggling heavily in England, from Charlton, go Everton on loan, go Fulham on loan, struggled heavily. That's why it's very, very important to go to a country where the press no today on top the player. He go Italy for Atlanta and he has been fantastic at Atlanta, played the right position and switched to Nigeria. Look at one of those foreign players you go see they come to Nigeria, they play like say they was born and made in Nigeria. They put in 100% on Nigeria. So I like him, but I don't know why they fear for this guy. I don't know why they fear. I don't know why. I they fear say calf. If you mess around, I tell you. Yes, he did score 3 goals for the finals. But if you look last week, Osimhen gets so much advantage in so many sense compared to Lookman. And again, I fear.
But funny enough, Osimhen no make that Ballon d'Or list.
You know, the West Coast, it's club not doing. Nobody did here. Look that list of CAF awards. We get a lot of North Africans there.
Yeah.
A lot of North. And they fear. Lookman on a good day is the undisputed. Number 14 in the world is not beans. Number 14, he had a good season for himself. He was so close to Nigeria win AFCON. But at the fear calf. If we do not play 1 or 2 things, and again, remember, it is based on votes.
Yeah.
It is based on votes. So I'm going to say, like Ghana, we use them as an example. They're going to say, and Charlie Osimhen win best player. Why Lookman go win best player? They say, no, almost scatter everything. They can do it.
Because Nigeria go come win and back to
back. The last time we say that one years ago. Papa, I I tell you, I'm not being negative. I'm just saying it.
Yeah.
You can do it. But I hope and I pray, look more ways, because for his self-confidence, 27 years old, for his self-confidence, it's good when person work hard, person reap the dividends of his hard work. And when that CAF player goes, he goes cement his status as legend, not just Nigerian football, but also African football.
All right, no be smart, and of course, finally, make we enter the one we consign United. No be news again, say they don't sack their coach, but then news where they now say they won't pay him off, I think 15 million pounds. Now they won't use pay him off. And apart from that one, they check out some other coaches when they around. Yes, exactly. So, but then, as far as they concern, is this the right man for the job?
But Jovita, before you talk about, I'm sad. This news about sacking my mentor, Eric Mama, it's sad. Like United sacked a married man with 2 girls. They made someone lose his job based on what? That won 2 trophies of them. Based on what is the sacking criteria like? They messed up. Eric Mama was a great coach. I love him so much.
And yes, he was.
And he did a good job for them with his crop of players we didn't get. I think Man U fans, they believe in past glory. Your club right now, your own are big for history, but now your club is nothing but a bang average club. And look at the players they have. I can pick myself. They're not getting world-class player for their squad. And now they bring in Ruben Amorim. Amorim go fellow.
No, they can't do wonders.
If you disrespect Eric Oama, I'm putting a curse on them. On today, I'm putting a curse on Manchester United. The devil will learn. The devil gonna say God exists. I'm putting a curse on them. That Ruben Amorim, even if they're bringing a Guavon, they will fail. For the next 5 years, they're not winning anything.
Like that man from Benfica.
For sacking Eric Wama. Why are you sacking Eric Wama? Eric was a good person. Eric, they come outside. They talk good about the club. He was a good servant of the club.
Make we look at Van Nistelrooy. They say at least for one game, now he go take charge. Van Nistelrooy then bring him so that attack go get it. They bring him, attack no get it. It's toothless. And now the cock carrier put for one game.
All of us don't say if you be vice to somebody, your work need issue. Now when you come touch line, now your workings will show. As a flick where be coach of Barcelona right now, when he be assistant to other people know the work when they do. But when he come out, they start touch line, people they see him work. You understand? I believe if Van Nistelrooy, if you come, they give a responsibility for one game. He will prove himself, and of course, I feel saying that the right decision.
Money is coming.
Eric Ten Hag, he sacked the overdue.
Look at recruitment under Ten Hag, Buchi. Recruitment under Ten Hag. The guy practically enter Ajax, go pack people come.
Now they get in loyalty.
Why do you want to force you to criticize my mentor? Why?
You understand? Now they get.
Why?
Now they get.
Don't do that to me.
In loyalty form.
But I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna blame him. I think Man U, their transfer policies have been horrible.
Very horrible.
Like the one we bust my brain say, you get Holland, we score only 9 goals for Atlanta that season. You pay 75 million euros to sign Holland.
I think 72
million. That one not even good. You can't go sign Zexi. I think Zexi don't even know in position. He's a good player, but he's
very confused.
You sign Anthony for 100 million euros. So he didn't post 100 million. Anthony.
Even cost past the Hoyland.
Anthony.
Now good player now.
82 million pounds.
All these players.
There are some players, no, they're players. It's not their market value. Anytime we United come, they go say, Maga don't come. Maga, put money on them. Then they pay excessively for some of these players. I'm not saying they are not good, but I give you 3 legit examples here. It makes no sense. How much they pay for Onana? 52 million euros.
That's 47 million
pounds. They release their
no business na those players no good. Now those coach, now the coach where they in charge.
No, get the point.
Those guys are talent. No,
so you are saying recruitment no get anything to do with waiting happen for United.
So
they spend a lot of money. But equality as a coach no good. I don't talk this thing before. I said over the last if they follow the trend of football.
I'm tired.
You understand?
I'm done.
Now coaches they decide how game they go.
I'm done.
In recent time, you know if you see one fantastic player,
I'm done.
Say Ronaldinho.
I don't get brain.
And let me talk,
Joe. Let me talk now. I resign.
You know if you see one player to say see this one na Ronaldo, na Messi, na players na coaches tactics they win games. I don't give you example. Chelsea where na Chelsea.
So, you don't try tell us say na Eric Ten Hag be the
was
head
the
and
biggest
tail
problem.
of the
It was the
problem.
biggest problem in United.
And
Because
recruitment no get anything to do with what happened for United.
he spend money reach the likes of what do you mean?
£600 million.
He spend money reach Pep Guardiola for City. Because City
No.
because
You
they
go
give
say
results.
spend money reach Chelsea.
Reach Chelsea.
And now you go talk.
He gives some spend money reach Chelsea. When Chelsea get a right call, Enzo Maresca, they are getting results. Nobody talks about them again.
But even Chelsea mess up before they get Enzo Maresca.
They messed up, and that's why people are complaining. Even this one where they talk about saying they sign here like chicken poultry. Get a good coach on the touchline. You see those players will play better. Stop criticizing the value of Anthony 100 million.
So you agree with
He's a fantastic player.
Sexy. My IQ have gone from 100 to 0. This guy don't reduce me finish. I have nothing to say here. See, please end the podcast. Please, my IQ is dead.
You keep saying this one. You good as a player. Where you good? As a coach, where you good? Tell me one game where you win.
Jovita, are we done?
You ever beat license my ass?
So which means you agree with him?
I don't know. I can never.
I bet Jovita ask him. Now you ever beat license coaching? Tell me one match where you win. Why you bring that his way?
I don't get IQ again. This guy have reduced me.
All right, don't be sponsored to yourself a shoot. Share recruitment. If follow inside on a player's performance. You know the recruitment player's performance.
Eric Ten Hag is bad. Eric Ten Hag
waka come off for inside Manchester United. Yusuf shook mouth put for matter wey dey on ground on top football mede podcast by the Republicans. And until we go meet again, I just want to say thank you to the guys for making it fun as usual, and of course for those wey dey behind the camera for all the good jobs wey dem dey do. Una thank you. And of course una wey dey always you fit go subscribe on top Football Republic NG on top YouTube so that you sef go fit shook mouth put no be only us know everything. We want hear from you as well. So comment on top the video, and of course subscribe. Tell your neighbor, tell your wife, tell your husband, tell your children, tell your side chic, your boyfriend. Make una subscribe to Football Republic NG on top YouTube. My name is Jovita aka till we come on our way again. My people love your region. Oh, nah.